Hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, good morning to everyone of you. As you know about myself, this is MK Other, and the chapter which we have started for you for the class 4th, that is the keeping safe, that is chapter 8, which we have to know. Yesterday I mean explain little bit thing, but today we are going to just move forward about this chapter. Today we are going to study, dear student, about safety at home. How we can keep ourselves safe at home when we are staying at home or we are doing something at home. So how we can keep safe ourselves. So safety at home. In our home, there are various things. As you know, when we stay at home, so we find many of the things at our home, yeah, that can cause accident, that may be harmful for you if you are careless. When you are careless, therefore you must follow some safety rules at all times. So there are some precautions which have been given here, how we can keep ourselves safe at home. So in the kitchen, today we are going to discuss about in the kitchen how we can keep ourselves safe. Do not play with knives and matches. I mean, we should not play with knives which are dangerous for us. Knives are for cutting the vegetables, not for playing. And matches, we should not play with matchsticks, that may be harmful for you, that can catch fire anywhere. If you have to use a knife or matches, do so in the presence of an adult. If you want to play with that, so there should be presence of an adult person who can take care of you. Do not touch the electric appliance. Touching plugs or switches with wet hands can give us an electric shock. Means we should never play with electric appliance, that can create lots of problem, and the problem may be life danger, and that can give us electric shock. That is the precaution. While working in the kitchen, means when we are working in kitchen, do not wear nylon or synthetic cloths. At that time we should not wear nylon or synthetic cloths which catch fire easily, because that is very easy to catch fire easily. Check to know if the vessels is hot before picking it up. Means we should check before touching any vessel that may be hot, and that may be danger for you, because if you touches that, so you may face the problem of burning of your fingers and many other things. Use a cotton cloth or tongs to handle hot objects. We should use cotton cloths or tongs for catching those things. So did you know cooking gas has no smell? The gas which we use in our home, cooking gas has no smell. Another gas with a smell is mixed with it, so that if the cooking gas ever leaks, people will notice and accident can be avoided. Means the gas which we use, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, that has no smell, but if the smells are coming out, then you can feel that there are little bit problem which are being created by that. So we can avoid that accident if we take decision on proper time. So now we are starting. Turn off gas, kerosene or electric stoves before leaving the kitchen. When we have finished our work in kitchen, so we should turn off gas, kerosene or electric stoves before leaving the kitchen. Coal fires should also be put out when not being used. Coal fire also should be put out when we are not using that. In the other rooms at home, immediately wipe and liquid that has been spilled on the floor, otherwise someone may sleep on the wet floor. Means we should turn off the tap if that is flowing, because that may be dangerous for us. Do not leave anything lying around on the floor. Someone can step on them and get hurt or injury. Means we should not throw the things here and there. We should keep the things at their right place. That may be beneficial for us and for you and for the new guest who is coming in your home. He will also feel good. Small children should not touch electric appliances, or not should they try to repair electric wires, plugs or fuses. I have already discussed about this, that the children should never touch the electric appliance, that may be dangerous for them. Do not take any medicine without showing it to your parents first. I mean, if you have little bit problem and you saw medicine, so never take medicine without showing that medicine to your parents. In a case person gets an electric shock, the source of current should be switched off immediately. I mean, if you are living house, if you're living your home, if you're living your kitchen, or I mean whatsoever you are going to do, firstly you should turn off your electric appliance like switches and plugs. So that will be good for you and for your family. So thank you very much for watching this video, dear student. Watch this video, and if you get properly my videos, so like that.